We didn't know we were making history. We knew that we were doing something for the rights of the people, and this was what Jesus really wanted us to do. There was so much injustice being done. The kids were working right along the parents in the fields. People were dying. A lot of the babies were being born disformed, and we discovered because of the pesticides. And Cesar was one of those farm workers that was trying to bring in some kind of justice for the people. At that time, I was working in the Diocese of San Bernardino, and we have a lot of migrants in our diocese at that time. And so one of the things was, well, what can we do? How can we help you, Cesar? And Cesar said, well, let's get together on this. When we were doing all these protests about the grapes, it was a huge national thing about grapes. So you could buy grapes, but they were from some growers that we couldn't buy because they were not going by the rules because of the pesticides. They were not paying the people correctly. Then there were boycotts, and there were things that we had to march, and being a guitar player, I was always playing out there. We could also do it in English and in Spanish, and we had the people working with their rights and what they had to do, and we had them learning English and learning their rights. And so that's the work that we did with Cesar. We made history. We did all that, but it wasn't just one person, it was all of us together.